And we decided many, many years ago that we would set a course for 4 seasons that was going to be different. The key strategic decisions that really underlie the company's position in the industry. We're only going to operate medium-sized hotels of exceptional quality, and we're going to try to be the best. To be the best, we decided that the quality of our service, that was going to be our competitive advantage. The most important decision that this company will ever make. Could we create a motivated workforce based upon an ethical credo, the golden rule? It's do unto others as they'd have them do unto you. And that is how we're able to go anywhere in the world.